chain off the bucket. This
is a carrot. Ernie!
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, because that was after the
Ernie, get the carrot.
try.
I'll get it.
The second try. So,
Get it.
what did I do with the chain after I took it off?
Get it. You better get the carrot. You better get the carrot. Oh, you better get it.
Well, yeah, but I either would have put it someplace that you touched it, or I would have put it at the place that it's currently lost at, and I don't remember. I'm almost 100% sure I didn't throw it in the manure spreaders. I don't think it's in there. Yeah, well, and I'm almost 100% sure I didn't put it in the tractor, or the red tractor, so I don't think it's in there.
Get the carrot. Oh, you better get it. Ernie.
What about all those boards we had? It didn't get buried in the pile of boards, did it? That's the only thing I can think of is that somehow got mixed up with those.
Mister, I gotta get the carrot. You better get the carrot.
Boards, I think